is convincing Ole to apply various elements and fertilizers based upon the soil test. And he's doing it using base count and saturation, which we've gone over for a month and showed in multiple papers, 10, 15 papers, showing how base count and saturation is errant. It's a fraudulent approach. It's very wasteful, very expensive. You can achieve the same turf grass and same quality plant by following a critical limit approach to nutrient management and turf grass management. But he's using base count and saturation primarily because you can sell a lot of fertilizer when you don't need to. And when you're a salesman, you got to sell. And even if the user doesn't need it, you still need to sell it. And that's the reason they use base count and saturation on the screen. Now, this is a Malic 3 soil test, and it says calcium right here. And it says pounds per acre. Value found, 2,600 pounds of calcium per acre. And Joel's telling him he still needs to apply 200 pounds. Let that sink in, guys and gals. 2,600 pounds of calcium showing up on a soil test per acre. And he's saying that he's deficient. Joel's saying that Ole's deficient by 198 pounds. This is exactly how base count and saturation is used by fraudsters and con artists to sell people products that are not going to be beneficial to them or their turf grass. Just make sure that's clear. And you see this all the time. This is nothing new. Okay. But the critical limit for calcium, no one really knows exactly what the critical limit is, but it's probably somewhere around the 300 parts per million range, around the 500 or 600 pounds per acre range. And this is 5 to 6 times greater than that critical limit.